Yeah. Yeah, it's actually just around 45 minutes from Canada.
So day trip, pero as in like lubos full day trip.
Not even. Pag ano, kung trail, like what we do, trail run.
So I'm with the superstars now. Morning. Route 2. Magkapananan. So what's in the menu today? Oh, there's Ram, by the way. Long time no see.
Long time.
Jovi behind. So what's in the menu today? Suffering. Character building.
Hopefully Puray Falls.
Hopefully. Yeah, the promised land remains unpromised. But we're en route, making effort to make that promise fulfilled. So after we do Kapananan, go to Ayas, and to make it more longer, we go to Puray. Give or take 30 km, but we're always wrong. It's either we fall short or way far ahead. So, but it's a good team now. It's a solid team of 6 strong individuals, except me. But it's gonna be as usual fun day with this bunch, full of shenanigans and shenanigans. So guess what? Another way of extorting money from visitors is create a road and then make a toll. And they make an excuse out of it, saying it's for the environment, but nothing really happens. There's no justification. They give you a rate. No receipt. So everything's dubious. It's becoming the new norm here in the country, especially Rizal. It's a new business model, I guess, for an environment. Destroy a mountain, create a road, and ask people to pay for it. So we're paying for something that they destroyed. Amazing, right, Curves? Amazing. Amazing. And this road was just built what, for the last month lang or 3 weeks, and it's like they planned everything. That's what it seems like. So it's a stick-up situation. So we reached Mount Kapananan over there. Snow trail going there on using the new route. By the way, we used a new route, the one that uses the Ayas route. Then coming here, it's 9.5 kilometers to this point. But now we're venturing to a new spot we don't know, which is a good thing. I like it, of course, if there are no guides, but it just disappoints me that we had to pay. Yeah, it ticked me off, really. It's a new road, and then they eventually come up with something like this. Anyway, the bright side, silver lining here is we get to explore it. And that's Mount Demire. I was with Ram a few years ago. We did the 15.5-hour hike. Yeah. We reached till nighttime. We were really scared because it was really foggy. So when it's foggy and it's nighttime, it's actually dangerous. So good times, Ram, good times. Jesus! we arrive at a dead end. So, painful thing is we have to go up very steep, like really steep, like we have to go slow.
85 degrees.
Yeah, something like that. Though it's rewarding. Silver lining is we get to explore. You always want this. You don't always get the cherry, but the benefits and the privilege of exploring the uncharted trails is unmatched, and no regrets. There was a beautiful view, definitely, and I guess the adventure with friends, and you can't replace that. So going back, looking for the next water or food source. Then let's see if we're gonna extend our trip somewhere else. Oh crap, look at the uphill. Crazy. Taking a break, long break, because it's really hot and some people are cramping. Can't blame them. Steep assaults, steep descents, and then lacking food and water. But it's part of it. It's part of the game, part of the itinerary. And we're going up now.
Tall trees, they are easily pulled. Palm trees, I am easily